guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're getting videos one after another. So you got one last week and you got one this week because next week I'm off to Comic-Con. So you just have two videos on after another, and I'm going to take a 2-week break after that. So, because if you're new to my channel, welcome. What I do is I upload every fortnight, just because if I have content I will film it, and if I don't, I won't. So that's the way it is. So sorry to put it down on the video, but yeah. Basically today we have something I haven't unboxed on my channel for like the longest time. It's so sunny outside, by the way. It's like really hot. It's really nice. So it is the Feel Unique Pick and Mix. It's come literally 2 days ago and I've wanted to open it but I haven't. So let's dive in. Obviously I've took my address off. So what is Feel Unique Pick and Mix? So Feel Unique, it's a website that sells like lots of beauty, hair, perfumes. It's a bit like Looking Fantastic. You can go on their site and you can go to the samples bit and you can choose whether to have Pick and Mix, where you pick 5 items each month. They change throughout the month what there is, and you get £3.95, £3.95. You get £3.95 code back so you can use it against free postage for something else. They also do a aftershave thing, so you can buy the aftershave or the perfume, get a sample with it. If you don't like it, send it back, they'll refund you, which I think is really good, especially if, like, I'm a person, I like to actually smell it, you know, go into a shop and smell it. So that's a really good way to do it too. I picked the Pick and Mix, and I have unboxed this before on my channel. There is lots of like previous ones, but there hasn't been anything that has really caught my fancy, or I've missed out on the good stuff, or I just haven't been interested in the last few months. I'm not sure why, I just haven't. But I just thought, why not? So let's undo it. This actually fitted in my letterbox this time, so that's good. I was here though, but you know, just like to watch the postman struggle, because why not? Okay, so it comes in this box. I'm just gonna tear that off because I'm distracted. So you get a little box. Inside the box I've just ripped off. And let's have a look. So obviously they've got their handles. They've got Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, at Feel Unique. Obviously this isn't sponsored, by the way, guys. And also another reason why I wanted to do it this time is because, I mean, next month I might just, sorry, I had hair on me. Next month I might just do it purely for perfume samples, because I love the little samples. I pop them in my handbag, I pop them in my gym bag, I pop them when I'm going out. They're just really handy, and it's a nice way to try perfume. So let's dive in. Okay. Okay, we have this special offers for your partners. Let's have a look what's in here. If there's any codes, I'll leave them down below, because I don't have any money at the moment. I don't tend to use it. So there is £5 off when you spend £25 at Hotel Chocolat, and £10 off when you spend £50. That is online. It's SHOPFE. I'll leave that down below. Another thing is Bloom and Wild. Enjoy £10 off your first order. I can't use this because I've already used it. I got my mum some amazing flowers for her birthday from there. They come in a letterbox. They're really great. They have the wake up food that comes with them as well, so they don't die. So the code is there. Please feel free to use it, because I'm not going to, because I've already ordered them from before. What else have we got? And Bowden, 20% off, 20% off. I don't use it, Bowden. I don't shop there, so yeah. Okay, let's dive in. Let's dive in with perfume that I already have tried and that I already bloody love, and it is one by Prozina Shololia. I probably butchered that, but it's called Arizona, and I really love this. I love the smell of this. I'll just open it for you if I can. I'm tearing it. It's just a tiny little spray bottle. I think it's 1 ml. but I like these, they're really, really good. The bottle of this is beautiful, by the way, the actual bottle. It's a little bottle, but the actual design is beautiful. I've had this before. It's not too fruity, it's not too sweet, it's not musky because I don't do musky perfumes. It's kind of nice in the middle. As you can tell, I'm having a nightmare filming today, like everything's falling on me and yeah, my tripod is like, nope. So yeah, anyway, I love this. I'll put the prices on the screen of actually how much it is full size because I really, really like it. Again, because I mean, I really like that, so I thought I didn't know what to put left in my basket, and I thought, well, I'll just try that. Well, why not? Okay, let's go beauty, shall we? I got a little sample of the Evolve Organic Beauty Hyaluronic Serum. So that's what that looks like. I've never heard of this company before. I just thought it was really cute. It's a nice little jar. You get a lot in there. I am trying some new stuff, so I won't use this just as yet because I'm doing a 28-day challenge. I should put it on my hand. Oh, it's very clear, very liquidy. Half a jar, I'd say, but it's decent, so that's good. And I've got a feeling Evolve are natural. Guys, it's really refreshing. It's sunk into the skin. It's not sticky, a little bit sticky, but nothing major. I think these are cruelty-free. I think I've seen it before. So I'll link how much this is full size. So, as I said, I actually missed out on a little mini NARS bronzer, which you normally get if you spend like £50. So I'm really gutted. But what can you do? I just kept looking at it through the month, and I just thought, right, I'm just gonna get it. Why not? Just, you know, whatever. I did miss out on a first aid beauty scrub, which was 25 grams, but I already have a scrub, the Vida one, which I'm really loving, so I'm just trying not to get loads of things. Okay, what is this? I got a La Roche-Posay, I can't even remember what I ordered, it's so bad. Because I had a delay in my order. They emailed me saying, we're really sorry, there's been a delay, we'll send it to you, and it did send quite quickly, so that's fine. It's the Lipika Boom AP Plus, anti-irritation, anti-scratching, spaces out flare-ups of severe dryness. What did I get this for? I don't know why I got this, but I do love La Roche-Posay products. I have a face wash that I really like that I use by them, so that's probably why. It is an anti-irritation balm. Okay, let's have a look. And this is 15 ml, so that's a nice big sample. I definitely say on the side of the menus, they have what sections they are: skin, hair, makeup, and they have tubes, and it's really good to look at the size because like, you can get some goodies. I have got some really good goodies in the past. Okay, so this is just a balm. I think I got this for my elbows or the dryness on my cheeks that just won't go away. It's plain, it's just plain and nice. A really, really nice, not a balm, I wouldn't say it's balm, it's more of a lotion. I love La Roche-Posay products anyway, so I knew I'd like that. And I might use that on my elbows or my skin or my face. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but amazing. Last two products. Sorry if this video seems a bit rushed. I'm feeling a bit weird today. I don't know why. But yeah, the last two products is another perfume because, as I said, I wanted another perfume because I'm running out. I mean, I do get them on, like, sent to me and stuff, like, if you ever see it on Facebook, request a sample, but yeah. Okay, so I love this brand, but I don't think I've had this one. It's the Roger and Gallet of Paris, and it's the Fleur de Figure, which I think is, what does it say? A fragrant well-being water with distilled precious essence. I love their Cassis and blackcurrant one, it's my fave. They do another one in an orange bottle, which smells like tea to me. I really like it. So I like their perfumes. Okay, this has got fig in it, obviously. yeah, fig and grapefruit. So that sounds really nice. I'm gonna smell this one because the other one I already know what I like. I'll just tell you the notes in that if it says what it is. No, it doesn't. I'll put the notes on the side if I remember. But yeah, I'll have this little sniff of this. Just let that do its thing. So yeah, these are really cute little bottles as well. Like if I like them, I generally request them for like birthday presents and things. Oh, I like that. It does not smell like, ooh, grapefruit, like the Body Shop one is really nice. I am going to wear that all summer. That is like sweet but fresh and fruity but not like artificially fruity. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that is lovely. That is lovely. If you're at M&S sell these, so like the full size. If you're in there, have a sniff. That's really nice. And the last product is a new one, which I was excited because I love the original one. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tint Cream Full Spectrum SPF 30 Natural Luminous Finish. Now I'm really excited to get this because today, for example, it's like 19 degrees. I didn't want to put makeup on. Yet last night I went out for a meal with my family for my brother's birthday and I just did not want to put makeup on. My Garnier BB cream is too dark on me and I just don't want to wear makeup. So I thought this would be a nice alternative. That's what it looks like. And there's the colours. To use in the summer or the warm months where I need to put something on, but I'm one of these people I like to just put a lot more concealer on. So let's have a look. What's the size? It says this perfect multitasker provides 12 hours of soothing hydration, reduces the looks of redness pores, imparting a natural luminous finish. Okay. Available in 5 shades. Okay. Key ingredients, it's got oatmeal, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and micropills, which I guess is the pigment. Okay, so this has got it in. It's only 7.5 ml, but it's good to try. Quite a big sample though. In regards to samples, it's like a deluxe sample. That's good. Let's try a bit. Oh, it's got a safety seal on it. Oh, do I open it or do I keep it for the summer? Oh, I'll open it. Just for this video, I'll open it. I really like that perfume, guys. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it is. What should I get? One. There, I got. Okay. Is it gonna be dark enough for me? Oh, that's so nice. It's not like sticky. It's not. I don't want to put another blob on. I'll just put the blob next to it so you can see the colour. I thought it was going to be a bit dark on me actually, but I think it's going to be amazing. So that's the colour there. And that's it rubbed in. Which you probably, what am I doing like that? Which you probably can't even see, but I don't know if that's going to be enough coverage, but we'll give it a go. So that is my 5 items for the month. I've got La Roche-Posay, really good brands, like really good brands. First Aid Beauty, Evolve Beauty, which I've never heard of, but yeah, I got, oh, and the First Aid Beauty stuff, yeah. So I got really good stuff this month. I want to do it next month if they have, there we go, I'm dropping stuff. If they have good stuff. I'm gutting I missed out on the last bronzer. If you were lucky enough to get it, go sis. But that is everything this month, guys. As I said, I'm going to be off for a couple of weeks now because I want to be, and I'm on Comic-Con, and I like to do it every 2 weeks because I like my weekends. So yeah, that's everything. So if you don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. And again, I'll keep saying, check out my blog because that's where I like to put all my information. I love writing on my blog. I enjoy it. And yeah, so I'll speak to you soon. Bye.